Everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can create Google Forms and how to add collaborators and all these questions in a single video. I'm going to make this video like 5-6 minutes long. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And before I say anything else, please watch the video until the end and learn everything about Google Forms. I'm going to go too quickly to show you guys everything. I'm not doing any like clickbait or anything. So you go click here, you go click on new project, and we're going to click on like contact information since we are trying to get people into our club or our project. So you can like edit it here. There's like templates here. You can put your put the like the question. So I'm just gonna say your name. I'm just gonna change it to make it look normal. Your email address. So you can like do that. Your address. So I'm just gonna make this up, and then you can create a Google Forms. So you can use this for your club. You can use this for your job. You can use this for like getting people into your organization, and you can click on send, and after you send it you're gonna click on the link, and you can click that link and copy paste this link, and you can easily use it to do it, and then you can fill this out and you will receive the information here. And also there's one more thing. You can click on responses to check your responses. Also you can click on settings to get this and make a quiz. You can do a presentation, you can do a form default. These are up to you guys. I'm just going to be talking about the basics. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask, and it's really easy. Just feel free to ask. And then let's go here and try other things. I try other things. So there's a template gallery that you can use. You can do a contact information, event registration, party invite, t-shirt sign up, and more. Or you can create your own. You can click on blank, and let's do YouTube subscribers. YouTube subscribers one. And let's make the question YouTuber favorite for your favorite YouTuber. I'm just gonna say Mr. Beast, and you can make a poll and you can share this with the companies and make money. You can like work with so many people, and Google Forms is a very important thing for getting people into your club. This is used by many universities. This is used by every single company right now since they're doing a lot of polls and trying to track information. So I'm gonna try a different one. I'm just gonna do the event registration one, or let's do something else. Yeah, let's do event registration since we are making a party for our company or like an organization, and let's do an registration. So we're gonna do your name and your age and the company that the person is from, the company that you are coming from. Make sure to be professional if you're doing this for a job. Make sure to put caps lock on. So you got to be careful. So there's going to be dietary restrictions since this guy is going to be careful about what he eats or she eats. And we want to make sure that we share this with everybody. And after we're done, we're going to click on send, and we're going to click on copy the link, and we can share this. Also, we can do and email it to people. So we can just write Aaron Hijiona, and we can put other people and send them invites for a Google Docs, which is very cool. You can also add an editor for your friends. So let's say you're doing a club project and you're doing a huge Google Sheets. You're doing it for like 100 people. You need to add people since this other guy has to check it and make sure the grammar things are straight up correct, and you got to be careful. And then you can use this and add editors, and you can click on done when you're done. So this is easy, guys. One of the easiest things that you can do is you can use Google Sheets, or you can create your own blank, and you can click. There's a lot of templates here that you can do, and you can also do a quiz. You can do a quiz for your class if you have a class. If you're a teacher, you can make a quiz. Like you can say a syllabus quiz, 5 points, like 2% of the whole grade, so which is not a big deal. You can do like a small thing and make them do a quiz. It's not going to be timed, or you can add a time if you want. I think, oh no, you can't add a time, can you? Oh no, yeah, you can. You can do later after manual review, and you can make a quiz. This is very beneficial, guys. Make sure to use Google Sheets. This is so easy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.